Hi, and welcome to doTERRA in the Lab.
Have you ever wondered what microbes might be hiding in your essential oil?
Watch this video to find out.
Every time we get a batch of oils in, we do a lot of testing on it. That's just to make sure we're giving you the very highest quality oil possible.
That's right. Today we're going to be talking about our microbiological testing, where we look for itty-bitty microbes like bacteria, yeasts, fungi, who knows, inside of essential oils.
It's just one part of our QC process, but it's a really important part. We want to make sure there's nothing growing in there.
That way it can be safe for both you and your family. Now, the thing is, it's pretty rare that we find any microbes inside of essential oils because essential oils don't contain fats or proteins or sugars or vitamins or minerals for them to eat, which means that it's impossible for them to grow. But this is one way to make absolutely sure.
We gotta check anyway. So let's show you how this is gonna happen. On a regular micro test, first we do a dilution. We start by taking a tiny bit of the oil and putting it into a tube filled with some kind of dilution.
That's right. So right now I'm going to take a very small amount of wild orange oil and place it inside our dilution tube. Then I'm going to shake it up to make sure that the oil and water can mix, well, as good as they can.
Shake it hard enough and we can talk them into it. Then I'm going to take a little bit of the diluted solution onto a Q-tip and I'm going to streak it onto a plate. We're going to use a special streaking technique that will allow us to separate out any microbes into an individual colony. That way we can count them if there's anything growing.
That's right. Depending on how the colony forms and its color and other things like that, we'll be able to tell what kinds of microbes they are, if any show up at all.
It takes about a week in the incubator, and then we'll see if there's been anything growing in our essential oil. After a week in the incubator, take a look at the plate where we streaked our essential oil solution. Nothing is growing. That's a good thing though, that's what we expected.
That's right, because pure essential oils, like CPTG doTERRA oils, don't contain any of those nutrients that microbes need to grow. That's why we got a clean plate. However, if you go and swab a doorknob, you might find something like this. Each of these little dots is a colony. That indicates that a microbe was there when I streaked the plate, and you can see how much they've grown.
See the difference here? Now, back at the beginning, we asked you, how many microbes do you think could be hiding in your essential oil?
The answer? 0.